Welcome to this video. In the previous video, we learned about the AAA criterion of similar triangles for similarity of the triangles. Today we will learn the side-side-side criteria, that is, SSS criteria for similarity of the triangles. As we all know, the figures with equal ratio of corresponding sides and the equal corresponding angles are similar to each other. You are given some triangles here. Are all the corresponding angles of these triangles equal? And what do you understand by the corresponding sides of these triangles? To understand this, we will take triangles ABC and LMN. What do you understand by these two triangles? If we look carefully, corresponding sides AB, LM, BC, MN and CA, NL, their ratios are equal to 1/2. Now, what can you say about the angles of these two triangles? Yes, if you measure, then you will see that the corresponding angles are equal. By this, we can see that triangles ABC and LMN are similar to each other. Can you tell if triangles ABC and DEF are similar? You are absolutely correct. The ratios of the corresponding sides of both the triangles are 1/8. And if we talk about the angles then, the corresponding angles of these triangles are also equal. This way, we can say that triangles ABC and DEF are also similar. Similarly, if we take any two triangles from these, then the ratios of their corresponding sides and the corresponding angles are equal. Hence, we can say that in any two triangles, if the corresponding sides are in the same ratios, then their corresponding angles will always be equal, by which we can say that they are similar triangles. In this video, we learned the side-side-side or SSS criteria for the similarity of triangles. Can you test the similarity of triangles around you in real life? In the next video, we will look at an interesting example based on this. Welcome to this video. In the previous video, we learned about the SSS criteria of similarity of triangles. Today, we will look at some interesting examples based on the SSS criteria of similarity. Raju on his way sees a signboard. As he walks further for some time, he sees another signboard and thinks that the first board looked somewhat like the second one. He takes the measurement of the board in his diary and moves on. After some time, he sees the third signboard and takes its measurement also and notes them into his diary. He wonders if all these triangular signboards are similar or not. Let's see. In triangles ABC and PQR, the ratio of corresponding sides AB and PQ is found to be 2/3. Can you tell the ratio of BC by QR and CA by RP? Correct. Their ratio is equal to 2/3. Here, we saw that the ratio of the corresponding sides are equal. Hence, we can say that the triangles ABC and PQR are similar by the SSS criteria. Let's look at another example. Show that the triangles DEF and OPD are similar in the given figure. What can you say by looking at the figure? We can see in the figure that the ratio of the corresponding sides DE and OP in these two triangles comes out to be 3/5. Now, can you tell the ratio of the sides EF and PD? Very good. For this, we need to find the length of side PD first. If we pay attention, then we will see that in side PD, the sum of sides PF and FD is 25. Therefore, the ratio of EF and PD is also 3/5. Like this, the ratio of FD and DO also comes out to be equal to this value. Hence, we can say that triangles DEF and OPD are similar by the SSS criteria. In this video, we looked at some examples based on the SSS criteria. Welcome to this video. In the previous video, we looked at some examples based on the side-side-side criteria for similarity of triangles. Today, we will look at some other examples based on the side-side-side criteria. The diagonals of a rhombus measure 24 cm and 16 cm respectively. Find the length of the sides of the rhombus and also prove that all the 4 triangles in it are similar. Because we know that there are 2 diagonals in a rhombus. Hence, let diagonal AC be of 24 cm and diagonal BD be 16 cm long. We know that the diagonals of a rhombus divides each other into equal parts perpendicularly. That is why angles AOB, BOC, COD and DOA are right angles. That is, they will be of 90 degrees. In this rhombus, which all triangles can you see? Correct. Here, we can see 4 triangles, namely triangles AOB, BOC, COD and triangle DOA. Since we need to find the sides of this rhombus, hence, if we take any one triangle, we can find the length of the sides of the rhombus. Come on, let's discuss triangle AOB. In triangle AOB, we see that angle O is 90 degrees. Hence, we can say that this triangle is a right-angled triangle. Therefore, using the Pythagorean theorem in this triangle, the length of the side AB is found to be 14.42 cm. Hence, for the rhombus, the lengths of the sides AB, BC, CD and DA would be 14.42 cm. Now, let's discuss the triangles AOB and COB. From these 2 triangles, we see that the ratio of corresponding sides AO by CO, AB by CB, and OB, which is the common side, are equal. Can you tell which criteria of similarity is shown by this? Correct. This represents the SSS criteria. Therefore, we can say that triangle AOB and COB are similar. Now, if we talk about triangle AOD and triangle COD. The ratio of their corresponding sides are also equal. Hence, you can see that the triangle AOD and triangle COD are also similar by the SSS criteria. This way, we can test the similarity of any two triangles in this rhombus. And we can say that all the four triangles, triangle AOB, triangle COB, triangle COD, and triangle AOD are similar. In the given similar triangles LMN and PQR, NO and RS are their medians respectively, where LM by QP equals LN by QR equals MN by PR and NO by RS equals LM by QP. Then, prove that triangles NOM and RSP are similar to each other. Hence, from equations 1 and 2, we can say that NO by RS equals MN by PR, which is represented by equation 3. Because from the figure, we can say that points O and S are the midpoints of LM and QP respectively. Hence, 2OM by 2SP equals MN by PR, which we represent by equation 4. If we compare equations 3 and 4, then we get NO by RS equals MN by PR equals OM by SP. Therefore, by SSS criteria, we can say that triangles NOM and RSP are similar. Today, we saw some interesting examples based on the side-side-side criteria.